What's poppin', everybody? It's Ben. We're back. Sorry about the long break there of a few days. I had a lot of work to do off camera for everything, and you're going to see it all on screen now. We've been very busy. I haven't stopped any work at all. We have got a large amount of features done. We have got a large amount of rework done. We've got basically very close. Heard my voice there. Very close to everything working fully. The storefront now accepts payments, etc. Got a little bit of tidying up to do on that. I did some of that today. On top of that, what else have we got left that's sort of waiting for everything being perfect? I guess we've got everything being swapped over to database storage. I've began on that today. Getting databases set up. I've been getting APIs set up as well, all doing through AI, of course, because the APIs will be needed because I don't want to have to use my plugins as dependencies because they're getting quite big. So we're just going to create APIs for everything as it stands. Now, the last time you saw this server, it looked completely different than this. Completely different. I've done a lot of work. I've done, well, I don't even know how much work, to be honest. I've done hours of work. I've had sleepless nights, doing 17 hours of development, trying to get everything done. So, it's been long. Let me just say, this last week has been long, beyond belief. Everyone, I am live. Just a quick thing to note as well. In my description, you're going to see a link to a website. That website is called Pixel GPT. They were very kindly enough to sponsor me with a premium account to be able to show it off in the next video that is, or stream that is upcoming. So that's coming, and it's really going to enhance the entire system and the features, exactly what we're going to be doing. It's going to allow us to have fully custom items, so I will not be using standard Minecraft textures anymore. Obviously, standard Minecraft textures will still work, but some things may look a little bit funky, to say the least. What's up, Devil? And hello, George Foreman, the purple grilling dog. Right, I'm going to go over some stuff that we have done, and you guys are going to be like, wow, it actually does sort of work, all of this AI stuff. Yes, it's taken a lot of work. A lot of bug fixing. So let me show you. So for example, last time you saw a shop, it didn't work. Now if you go here and click admin shops, we now have all of these shops that you can use. These shops are now dynamic. All right, what that means is if people are breaking stuff on the server, selling lots and lots of items over and over and over again, it will automatically adjust the price. It will automatically raise the price if the rules allow it to. So what's up, Hardy? So it's actually really, really cool. Let me show you how it works. So I'll go here, for example, and you'll see blocks. All of the blocks are listed here. All of the blocks have a price, for example. So you'll see oak planks have a different price than everything else. Now that 0.11 is based on the supply and demand of that item. We can thank What's Up for that. He's been doing lots of testing. He's been very important to everything we've done. So it started with base zero prices for everything. So if I go back and I go on resources here, you'll see diamonds are 1,031 because he's been buying and selling them, right? So as things are bought and as things are sold, it will automatically adjust the prices. This was quite complicated, but I wanted it to be like that because my least favorite thing to do in Minecraft is balance economies. I hated it when I was doing it for Jerome, and I hate it now. Nothing's changed. It sucks. No word of a lie. It sucks. So I thought, well, how can I have it generate in a way that I don't have to do it? Well, make it so it generates itself. Other things we've done. Essentials no longer breaks every time you restart the server. Essentials now pretty much does everything, and it stores everything to a database to make sure we don't lose data. I understand it was data persistence that was breaking everything. People have been busy on the server, by the way. This is an entire army base that I'm a Creeper built. You've seen them on the server now and then. So they've been really, really busy. They've done a lot, sort of helping and testing, etc. as well. So when they got bored, they went for this sort of building. For a bit of relaxing, because who doesn't like building in Minecraft? We've done massive updates to RPG. I haven't been streaming for about 5 days, Hardy, to be honest with you. I'm good. I'm exhausted. That's about the only part I can say. I'm very tired. So what I've been doing for the past 7 days, roughly straight, is getting up at 10 a.m. and going to bed anywhere between 5 and 6 a.m. in the morning. The entire time I've been working on this, I have surpassed over 1,000 prompts on Cursor now. That's gotten quite expensive, but it's getting everything done. And then earlier today, I got introduced by WhatsApp to the dungeons in Minecraft, the new ones, the Trials dungeons, and that was it. That's where this idea for this stream came from. I don't know how possible this is. I may have absolutely overcooked the idea, and I mean like fully overcooked it, gone way too complicated, but I also came up with a different way of generating an idea for an AI. So as it stands, I normally just dumped a big block of text, right? And then by the end of it, it would completely forget what it was doing. And that wasn't great, right? That wasn't great at all. Environment, that's all set up there. Sorry, I'm just reading through prompts, getting ready to show you guys what we got cooking in the kitchen, because trust me, you don't want to miss it. And it got stuck again. Why do you suck? Right. Sorry, there. I've restarted that prompt to keep an eye on it. So, on top of that, so we've done all of that, right? So that stuff that I've just gone over is a lot of work as it stands. The store system now fully works. That alone, it took 14 hours to implement a payment processing system, because we're not using anything pre-made, right? We're using PayPal's sandbox system and Stripe's sandbox system. Hello, Ivy. Hope you're good. We have new commands. Lots of new commands. So we've got here rstat now. What's up? What's up? So rstat will show you your mining boost. As you'll see, I've got levels on the side. So I have a mining boost of 50%, a logging boost of 35% experience. Now this is all tracked. Since the last time you saw it, I'm going to go /skills. So if I do /skills now, you're going to see we have 2 brand new skills since I've last streamed. We have excavation and we have repair. Now these fully work. And when I click on these, you guys are not going to believe how in depth this is. This is the new skills. So everything's got passives and actives, as you know from last time. These are the passives, all right? This took so much work to get working. This is level 1 through level 42, and that's level 44 through to level 84. And then there's a bug on the mining one for some reason. It's probably just a mismatch, and for some reason there's a hidden skill there. This goes up to level 100 now, right? So this is a fully in-depth system. So look, 30% mining gain. It goes on and on. So if we go back to skills, you'll see logging. This menu works for some reason. I don't know why the other one doesn't. So you'll see 2 pages of passive abilities, and this is your 3rd page. So you've got animals and monsters won't attack you in forests. Ultimate timber, always chop entire trees at once at level 95. Most of these have been tested, by the way. As WhatsApp's been going through the levels, he's been making sure everything works. There's a couple things that are broken, as you would imagine, as there's over 100 different passive skills now. You'll see enchanting. I've changed how enchanting works now as well. That's another update. So if I go to what's up using a place that I can enchant and show you guys, hopefully, yeah, I'm just going to quickly run out of his house. Sorry to invade your privacy. Right, over here, you'll see we have an enchanting table. If I whack this in the enchanting table, enchanting's the same here. And you'll see I got a scroll and enchanting experience from doing it in the enchant table. I didn't like how everything was working, right? I didn't like that we were having to use materials to gain experience. It felt very disconnected. So that's another big change to the RPG system. Another big update. There's a lot of these. Like, honestly, if I do /skill tree, we now have a full-blown skill tree. So every time you level up, so if I do skill tree info, you'll see I'm level 29 on my skill tree. I am 89% progress through, and I have 6 available points with a total point of 33, and I've unlocked 18 nodes, right? So if I go skill tree again, I've been going through systematically and unlocking it all. So I've unlocked all of these. So these are chance to get extra logs, increases wood chopping speed by 10%, 20% more logging experience, 20% sapling yields, and 15% logging there. And then if we go here, you'll see I've got a skill here I haven't unlocked. So I'll unlock it on stream. Somewhere it's not got a node unlocked. What's going on? There we go. For some reason, I can't upload that final node. That will be a bug. I go back and fix at a later point. There we go. So I've used all my points. So that is the skill tree system. Another thing you'll see on the right-hand side of the screen is the party system. If I ask what's up to go break some stuff, can you go mining for me? Just want to show shared XP. So now we have an entire party system made on top of all of that. I have a feeling I'm going to be renaming this stream really quickly and then restarting it, because this is just going over all of the updates apparently, because there is so many. I forgot how much work I did off camera. He's not even there. No problem. I'll go do it. So if I grab a pickaxe now, because I have to have it in my hand for it to register, I can still earn XP and like this. So if I go here, I'm only getting 1 XP, right? 1 XP cannot be split. Now, if I go down a bit further, let's go down to one of the strip mines. Here we go. Oh, that's no good. Right, 2, there you go. So at 2, he gets 1, and it's split between the party. If it doesn't split, it rounds it up. So it still makes it fair. So you get extra XP from doing it in a party. For example, if I do that, 12 minus XP plus 4 bonus minus 4 shared. You'll see that popping up at the bottom there. Now, you know, that's a cool feature as it stands, right? That's a lot of customization, a lot of extra playability, I think. Well, I wanted to go one further with that. If I go our party perks, this is the entire perk system. Yeah, I did a lot of work. So now a party can gain perks, right? So I have purchased all of the perks to test them. I'll just go over them. This is XP party boosting. This is teleport to the party leader, party glow, offline XP, XP boost, party chat, and other parts like that. Now, if I hover over this, this shows you my party level. How does that work? Well, that is a great system. That counts all of the XP that the party has generated together and adds it together. So you'll see party level is 13. The XP bonus for that is 13%. So it would take, for example, if I give the party 10 experience, it will then apply another 1.3 rounded up to the nearest one. So it will give it 2 experience, right? When you get to the bigger items like 300 experience for an enchant, it will give it a lot more than that. And shout out to Bowser Go for being on the server. The server is public, the IP is in the description, along as a link to another tool that I'd mentioned at the beginning, which is called Pixel GPT, which allows you to create fully custom pixel art on demand using AI. And let me tell you, it generates some crazy stuff. And as you can see here, I just gained 2 XP from What's Up Mining with our system of the shared experience. That's all working. So all of that is now implemented. The economy is fully implemented. The chat, for example, and ranks is fixed and implemented. So if I do set group Frizzle and Pop admin, hi. So that is now done, and I have a prefix as well, and it sets me up there. So that has got everything that I need now to be able to take this server public and live. It's absolutely unbelievable how far along this has come in such a short space of time. I mean, really, it's I can't personally believe it. The amount of features that we've managed to get in that space of time. And let me make sure I'm not missing anything by checking the plugin list. Right, you're going to see some plugins that are not custom made. That is Plan, Plugman X. These two here are for helping me monitor the loads of the server. For example, I've got something using an unbelievable amount of outward bound traffic at the moment on the data side of things, so I need to track that down and find out what is using all of the data and all of the network. So that's where Plan comes in. And Plugman X, because I am now developing on this server with people on it, I need to be able to reload the plugins in a nice way that it doesn't break anything. So I've been doing that over and over. For example, I reloaded the store plugin about 15 times the other day, and it didn't interrupt the server at all. So I can still develop and work with the AI at the same time. It seems you got stuck. Please continue. You may need to break this into parts. There we go. So what we've got Frizzle and Chance. We've not done much with that. I'm a Creeper's been doing a lot with that, getting just some bits done here and there. Frizzle and Guard now fully works, so everybody can officially protect their plots of land and anything you do on the server. It doesn't look like I'm going to be resetting the RPG system, so if you get on now, you get a better chance of leveling everything up before more and more people come on. I do hope the server takes off. I do think it will, as we start to regain some viewers back and people start to want to watch a Let's Play versus me just talking to you about what an AI is saying, etc. So that's all getting quite close. There, what else we got? Frizzle and Party is getting deleted because I removed the Party plugin and combined it into the RPG Skills plugin to try and make everything a little bit smoother. Frizzle and Store is now officially working, which is the shop system, which I will be able to show you guys soon. And then Frizzle and Ranks combines the chat and the I think it was called Frizzle and Perms before. That combines both into one, and it was a complete rewrite. And let me look through. Frizzle and Bug still works. I can click on everything to be able to see what it is. That's nothing new. What else? Oh yeah, I can show you /shop. So there's one part that isn't quite working yet, is the quick sale system. I'm getting there. At the moment, when you click items, it doesn't take it into the inventory, but this should speed up everything, for example, for selling, because obviously at the moment it's not great. If I do /clear on my inventory, I can show you the shop system. Diamonds. So if I now go into my inventory, actually I'll tell you what, I'll just buy diamonds. I'll make it more expensive for everybody because I'm that guy. So if I go resources and I go here and I buy just stacks of diamonds, right? If I do a full inventory, in about 5 minutes, that will now refresh and it will spike the price 300%, which would be good for everybody on the server because they now get to sell their diamonds at a higher price. Now, if I go to shop again and go to admin panel and I go to market trends, which doesn't want to work. 1 second, shop admin and go market trends, you'll see diamonds. Rising prices, demand is much higher than supply, prices are increasing significantly. You'll see emerald, stable prices, everything here has got pricing systems. And WhatsApp's already on it, it's like free money. Now if I go back to the shop, it doesn't update automatically, right? That would be a large calculation to run too often. But you'll see, we'll take a note, 1066. Oh no, it did automatically was adjusting. But that is a breakdown of all of the updates and changes. What else? You can toggle the scoreboard by doing toggle scoreboard, and it will hide it because not everybody wants to see that all the time. So I have thought about that as well. And then you can re-enable it like that. Oh, it's still a work in progress, guys. It's still a work in progress. But if I do /mount, summon, it's getting there. By the way, guys, it is getting there. I'm not happy with how they work at the moment. But this is an RPG mount. It's getting there. I want it to be able to do more than it currently does because at the moment it's just a horse, right? It's not exciting. It doesn't do anything for attacks. It looks kind of cool, but I am working on being able to do more with it. So this is now an RPG mount. It has particle effects. It's quick. And at the moment, it doesn't have any other functionality. I'm working on it. The mount system is really complicated. The AI doesn't like working with it. I don't like working with it. The edits take 5 hours. It generates a ton of bugs. But that is the mount system. There are multiple mounts. I'm undecided how we're going to unlock these yet. I have a feeling it's going to be to do with the dungeon design system. But you guys will see all of that in a minute. Like I said, I have a feeling I'm going to need to rename this as a massive feature update of everything we've done, because I just talked about this for 22 minutes straight, just going over the changes. Right, let me show you guys. I know I can't access the inventory, and you will now disappear. Goodbye. Right, so let me get you guys another view set up here. And if I go shop prison dev and I go to here, and if I want to add a source and I want to add a window capture, no, I'm going to have to do just a straight screen capture. I've not got anything up there that's important. No. So we'll do add source there. Screen. Right. Add source. And then that will be this screen. Done. Right. So here is the current web store. Right. At the moment, it's not looking... It looks okay. There's a few things I want to change with it. There we go. Right. So I'll show you the store. It's been made fully by AI. I've not done anything with it. So this is the source store system. It does work. I need to knock my drink off. It does work. It does send items to the store, and it is fully themed by AI. We have ranks, 2 sets of ranks here because I'm obviously still testing. But for example, if I click on this, this is where a little bit of just CSS is going to come a long way to make this fit out nicely. But you'll see you can add it to cart, proceed to checkout. Well, obviously you need to check if it's actually going to a player. So I can do frizzle and pop, select. Stripe's not fully implemented yet. That's an incredibly hard one to implement, but I have got PayPal added. And I just click complete order like that. And then I can do that. And just like that, I can make the payment. Payment successful. For some reason, this isn't linking up fully yet. Like I said, it's not quite all there. But if I go to shop here, admin, I can show you the order here, view it, and it shows you everything there. So this is fully working for ranks, and this was fully built custom. This is not using any frameworks, right? The only thing we used was the sandbox from PayPal. Everything now works on here, apart from image upload, which I should have fixed earlier but haven't uploaded it. You'll see orders. This is everything I did trying to get this to work. It took freaking forever, and I kid you not, I got so frustrated with it. Coupons work, analytics work. You can see I've done 88 orders to try and get this working. It has themes, it has payment settings. You know, I can change this now and I can put it in Great British Pounds just like that, and it will not say, because these are the 2 pages that haven't been done. We have some advanced stuff, but again, that's not done yet. The appearance systems are done. We have 2 themes, but I really like the Minecraft theme. And then if I flick this off, hide, you'll see it delivers it to me in game. Congratulations, I've been given the Squire rank, and it's all working. So anybody can make a payment on it now. So that is all set up, and that took 3 days. I'm not proud of it. It was brutal. Every step of the way, it was like I was pulling teeth, and I hated every single second with it. But even if you hate the stuff that you're doing, stick with it and you'll get there in the end. And that's the best thing about AI and working with AI, is it will get you there. You just have to be patient and go for 1,000 prompts. I've gone for 1,000 prompts, like I said earlier, just getting all of this set up. I'll show you guys the skill as well for excavation. Yeah, I did really hate every single second of making that payment system. Poor devil got countless messages. Yeah, it was not great. It was awful. I hated every single second, but I got it done. So we're going to do a quick enchant here. For me, frizzle and pop, and it's going to be efficiency 5. There we go. And we'll do that. And then just to show you guys another feature I've added. It was another feature. We're going to do RPG booster. Apply. Frizzle and pop. And it's going to be for excavation, and we'll put it to the max of 100 just for good effect. So now if you look at this, you can see I've set a permanent duration of an XP booster for excavation for a bonus 100% levels, and now you're going to see some other stuff we've added to this. So if I go game mode survival, you'll see there's a large amount of hearts. I've not worked out where they're coming from yet. It comes from the skill tree, but I don't know where from the skill tree. And then if I go here and I start going, you'll see I'm getting excavation experience, and then eventually it will trigger some of the, there we go, level 40 treasure finder. So I just got 2 flints. I've not updated the loot table yet. I'm coming up with a full loot table. How did you create things to stop hackers? With your new server comes people trying to break them. Will you just your admins are a way to code something? There is absolutely a way to code anti-cheat. I've just not looked at it yet. So archaeology is on the server, right? So we can find custom items from the ground, as you can see. I need to come up with a way to toggle the chat messages, but we've got 5 flints, 2 bricks, sticks, string, all of this. There we go. We discovered a rare artifact. Bang! Emerald! That's the system, right? It works incredibly. It's great. I think it's brilliant, personally. So there you go. We just discovered another artifact. Where is it? Gold nugget and a piece of gold. There you go. So like, look, just from going out, earning myself some levels, you've got an emerald, gold nugget, gold bar. and there's going to be a lot of other stuff. There is a full item crafting system coming. I've been cooking. Like, I don't know how complicated it's going to be to make, to be honest with you. I don't know yet. Like I said, I'll come up with a chat toggle for all of the stuff that's coming up in chat, because that's really quite... There's gold. I just reached a milestone, so I just got 3 extra skill points for the skill tree system. So during that bit of mining there, or excavating, I got 2 lapis, 2 emerald, 2 gold, and an iron ingot. Now, if I go to the shop, I think it's a good time to sell a gold, to sell my items, and you'll see the price hasn't quite changed yet. I may need to look at how often it updates. So if I click on here, I want to sell. There we go. So I've sold that. I can go... not there. Resources. This is why I want the quick sale system. There we go. So I've sold that. And if I go here, I can go resources again, emerald, sell. And it's doubling the chat messages as well, because there's debug on, etc. So if I now go here, admin, resource shop, gold, I can now sell as well. Everything will start to move in value. Everything is set up. Definitely, if you guys enjoy Minecraft, come on, start playing. I need more testers. Join the Discord, which is in the description below. I am going to reward everybody that is helping. You know, come build. If you build and we end up doing a world reset, I'm not an unreasonable person. Not like I used to be. I will transfer your build, not the items, your build, and I will transfer your RPG stuff. You know, I don't want people to put time into this and it not be worthwhile for them. So that is a breakdown of all the features. It is a large amount of features. We have done an absolute crap ton. I mean, honestly, I think it's close to 60 commits I've done in the past week. It's crazy, right? I want to see people playing it. It is fun to play. Wassup has cranked some serious hours into this game, and I mean serious hours, and he's actually enjoying it. So I suggest when you have time, come play it. It is fun. I will be doing a let's play on it myself as soon as I'm out of the development stage, which shouldn't be too long. I will get there, but again, I got the basis of the chat system working and then moved on to the worst part, right? At that point, when I got that enabled, RPG didn't have any of these features. It was really stripped down, you know, leveling in it was kind of non-existent. It wasn't fun. There was no point to any of it, right? Now there's abilities, there's not very many active skills. I need to work on them. There's only 1 active skill, but I want to work out how I want to add them. I think I want to make them unlockable through the dungeon system for active skills, because the dungeon system is going to look like what's up sort of dungeon system that I'm planning, right? It's a bit over the top. I don't know how many of the features it will be able to generate, but if it can generate them, it's going to be crazy, and I look forward to that. But this is just a quick feature breakdown. I thought I was going to be going straight into everything else, but apparently not. I had to get you guys up to speed of where we're at on the server. I forgot I added so much since the last time I went live. But I guess without further ado, I will see you guys in about 15 minutes when we're going to go create the brand new dungeon system. And I think, and I really hope it's going to work. I really hope it's going to work. I do. I hope it's going to work, because if it does, it will be the best dungeon system on Minecraft that anybody has ever seen. And I mean that. It will be better than How to Minecraft, the ones or How for Minecraft, the ones I designed for that. And then the item system will be unbelievable. There'll be a dedicated video for that, because we will now be having fully custom textured items, down to the very kind partnership with Pixel GPT, which is, if you haven't seen it, unbelievable. Link is in the description. Honestly, it's very kind for him to do that because his model is expensive. The compute power he is generating is unbelievable. The tokens he must be using is disgusting. So, without further ado, I'll see you guys in about 10 minutes. I'm going to quickly retitle this video, and then I'll be back for doing actual AI development. But it's good to give you guys an update. I hope you have a